Hello viewers, hope you are well. So now we were watching Naked Live channel. So today is a rainy day. It's also rain falling. In just few minutes I just leave my chicks because it's very hot. Predators were all like trying to attack my chicks. I have 13 chicks, now I have 8 only. Uh, they attacked by dog, cats and so many predators. So I always uh, giving them security so that no one can attack again. Yeah. So look, they're running. I can't catch them right now. Look at this. They're trying to feeding, searching food, and this I have to catch them or back them home. Look, they don't wanna go to home back again because I just released them from the cage. Look.